These are the HiTune X5 Wireless Earbuds by Ugreen, and they're literally packed with features for a reasonable price. They are available for sale right now in selected markets for around $50. So let's unbox them and talk about their key features. What I have here is the reviewer's kit, so it looks a bit more fancy than what you'd usually find if you were to buy them. So let's unbox them. Hear everyday wonders. They even included a notebook in this kit, so that's pretty cool. So you get different bud sizes for different ears. There are 4 sizes included actually. A USB-A to USB-C cable for charging. And of course the buds themselves with their charging case. So they come in this very dark shade of blue, and the case has a glossy finish. I think it looks quite good. What do you guys think about this color? There is even a button here. So when you press on the button, you can see how much charge there is left in the case. And a USB-C port to charge the case. Here they are. And down here you have all the paperwork and the user manual, I'm assuming. Oh wow. What do we have here? They've included a coaster, even a small pouch for it, so that's cool. It's a pretty big bag, as you can see. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without a bunch of nice looking stickers. Quite cool. So you might be wondering, what's so special about these? Let me tell you all about their features, and hang on to your seats because that is a really big feature list. So here it goes. For a start, they come with the latest Bluetooth 5.2, which should give you seamless and quick connection. They are also powered by the Qualcomm QCC3040, so they support Qualcomm's aptX and have 10mm audio drivers for better audio quality with nice high-end and low-end bass. They also come with 4 built-in environment noise cancellation mics and CVC 8.0 noise cancelling technology, which they claim helps reduce echo as well. In terms of battery life, they provide up to 7 hours of playback on a single charge and up to 28 hours till the case is fully drained. They are also IP5X rated, so they should also be suitable for wearing in the gym as they have basic water protection. And they even have a gaming mode which focuses on reducing latency down to just 70 milliseconds. Phew, we made it this far and I almost ran out of breath. I might have forgotten a thing or two, but anyways, let's move on. Anyway, all of that marketing speak sounds very impressive on paper, but if they don't actually perform well in the real world, it's all pointless really. So how do they actually sound, and are they comfortable? Let's find out. Okay, so they do actually sound good for their price. There is just enough bass, and noise cancellation also works. You almost don't hear any external sound when you're in full volume. The only complaint I have really is that at full volume there is a bit of harshness to the sound, but it's also because they are quite loud. They are also comfortable and sit nicely in my ears, so I don't feel like they can drop easily. They also sync incredibly quickly. The moment you open the case, they are already synced with your phone. Touch controls work well enough, so you can play and stop music, increase the volume, access Google Assistant, and even enter gaming mode based on how many taps or how long you tap. Speaking of gaming mode, it does work and its effects are definitely noticeable. You do feel less latency while gaming, which improves the gaming experience, but naturally the sound still isn't as instant as the phone loudspeaker. All in all, the HiTune X5 wireless earbuds seem like a good choice for people looking for a lot of useful features and decent sound quality without breaking the bank. Anyways, that's it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and I shall see you in the next one.